In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create process flows in Whimsical with AI. We'll walk through the steps to seamlessly create flowcharts using the powerful features of Whimsical. This is a tool that can really simplify and streamline your workflow process, and with the integration of AI, it becomes even easier to use. To start, head over to the Whimsical login page. Open your browser and type in the web address for Whimsical. If you've already got an account, simply log in, or if you're new, you might need to sign up first, but that's pretty straightforward and shouldn't take long. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, look out for your account icon, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to bring up a menu that will let you view and manage your account settings. Make sure everything's set up right to proceed smoothly with our tutorial. The third step is to click on Create New. You'll find this button prominently displayed on your dashboard. Clicking here allows you to start a fresh project and choose the format you want to work in. Now, we're specifically interested in creating a board because this is where the magic happens. Click on Board to set the stage for designing our process flow. Now you'll be in the board view. It's time to take advantage of Whimsical's AI features, which are key for creating process flows quickly and efficiently. Look for the AI icon and give it a click. This will open a set of tools designed to assist you in setting up your flowchart. With the AI tools activated, select Flowchart from the options provided. This is the step where you lay the groundwork for what you aim to visualize. Think about the flowchart you want to create. Maybe it's a project plan or a workflow process you've been looking to map out. Take a moment to describe the flowchart you have in mind. This description will guide the AI in helping you build precisely what you need. After you've described your desired flowchart, go ahead and click on Create. This is where Whimsical's AI takes over. It'll analyze your description and begin generating your flowchart. It's pretty amazing how quickly it works to bring together all the components you need for a coherent and logical diagram. As the AI pulls together your input into a visual format, you'll see your flowchart come to life right before your eyes. And just like that, you have a process flow ready to tweak or share. That's all it takes to create process flows in Whimsical with AI. We've taken a potentially complex task and broken it down into a series of simple, manageable steps. Now you can focus on refining the details of your flowchart or explore other creative projects using Whimsical. Happy diagramming!